Hello everybody. In this video we'll see how you can create your GC key account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. So first of all, I will be searching GC key on here. I used Google GC key, and then once you searched it, you would be able to see the first link, sign in to your IRCC secure account, the one with the canada.ca website. You can click here, and if you click on the first drop down, apply for these applications, here is the list of all the applications that you can apply through this GC key account. And if you go on, check the next drop down, check the status. You can even check the status of your application and even can upload the requested documents. There is one more web form, but we will talk about that later. So here that is the sign in part, but on the other side it's register for an account, so we would click there. And then there are two options: option 1, GC key username and password, and option 2, Canadian Interact sign in partner. So option 2 is basically related with your bank. So if you click on the drop down, here is a list of banks that you can use. If you have your account in any of these banks, you can use their card details and then can sign in to your GC key account. So if we go with this, you will click register with Interact sign in partner, and here you can select your bank. Just in case if you are in RBC, you can click RBC, and then type in your client card, username, enter your password, click sign in, and that's it. Your account is created. The preferred method for me and for most of the people is to sign in with the username and password, because if you go with the bank, every time you need to have your card details handy. So in this case, if we go with option 1, we will simply click register with GC key username and password, and once we are here on the right side, where it says simple secure access, we will click sign up. And now the terms and conditions of use, click I accept, and now we can create the username. So you can use any username, you can use the numbers, you can use your name, anything. If the username is already being used by somebody else, you will need to type in another username. As you can see here, I typed in first one, that was not available. The second one is not available either, and now let's go ahead with the third one. Let's see if that works. And here I typed in immigrant awareness 2025, and it worked. So next we need to create the password. So first type in your password and then confirm your password, and then click continue. Once it is done, we need to answer the recovery questions. So here from the first question, you need to select any question from the drop down and can answer it. Similarly for the rest of the part. So you just need to type in your recovery questions, answers, and then click continue. And once this is done, we'll go on to another web page where it says optional recovery. So you can enter your email address, or you can skip that part. Here I am just skipping it, and now it says sign up complete, and it shows your username. So every time click continue. Every time you need to sign in with your account, you will have to type in this username and then password, and then that's it. So next comes the two-factor authentication. So here are three types from where you can set up your two-step authentication. First is smartphone or tablet. Here you need to download the app and then can sign in. With the second one, desktop device, it gives the verification code through on your desktop. And the third one, which I selected, was email. So I clicked the email in this video, I accept, and then here I am selecting the email address. The reason why I did the email address is because whenever you sign in, whenever you use the register your email, I registered it, and then the verification code, the one-time passcode, as you can see, I received it on my email. I will simply copy it, paste it, and that's it. This is the most preferred way. Once it is done, once your authentication is done, you can save your recovery codes. So you just make sure they are case sensitive. These are the recovery codes to protect your two-factor authentication. So you can either copy the recovery codes and save it to the secure place, or you can print the security code. So you can either have a printed copy or can save it as a PDF. As you can see here, I saved it in the PDF form. Once these are done, if you scroll down, you can select yes, I have securely recorded and stored, and then click continue. And this setup is completed. Next, I would click continue. and here are the terms and conditions. Scroll down and then click continue. So yeah, so once I accept, and then the next page, create an account. Here you will write your given name as per the passport, last name as per the passport, email address. Just make sure that you write the correct email address, because only on this email you would be receiving all your notifications. If this is wrong, you won't be able to see any notification. And next, prefer language. Here I selected French, and how to change it, just in case if you wrote something wrong, how you can change it, I'll show you that later. So once you filled in all the details, click continue. Yeah, everything must be as per the passport. Now here are the security questions. So again, you have to you can make any security question, like 4 questions and 4 answers. It could be anything. In this case, I chose to write color of sky, color of leaves, color of moon, and my favorite color. Anything, you can write anything. It could be either favorite place, favorite car, anything. So just make sure you remember all these things, and once it is done, click continue. Yeah, everything is done, and then click continue, and boom, everything is done. Your account has been created now. So here you can see it would show your name once your account is created, and on the top it shows your name, and this is the account. So now on the top side I have clicked account profile, where I showed you I would change the email. So here you can change the language English, and then if you want monthly updates about your application, you can click yes and then click update. You can even reset your security questions. For that, you need to scroll down, select reset your security questions, and answer one of the questions. In this case, it asked me color of moon, and then once you click continue, here are other questions, so you can go ahead with that. And then afterwards I clicked account home, and here we are. And that's how you can create your GC Key account, and we can do number of applications whose link I would mention in the description. Thank you.